We have another interesting question, the B part of that number 6. An arc AB subtends an angle of 36 degrees at the center of the circle of radius 7 cm. Calculate the area of the minor sector. So the first thing we do is to generate the circle we are talking about. All right, so let's assume you have this circle and a chord producing an angle, subtending an angle to the center of the circle, and that angle is 36 degrees. This is the radius. Remember that this chord is AB, and then the radius is 7 cm. Can add 7 cm here. Then we solve for the area of the minor sector. The minor sector is the area represented by this. So the formula we are using is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Let's substitute. This is 36. 36 degrees over 360. That's my angle. Times, we are asked to use pi as 22 over 7. Please take note of that. It was included in the equation. If you are not told to use pi as 22 over 7, use 22 over 7 constantly, except when you are told to use 3.142 times 7, our radius is 7 raised to the power of 2. 36 divided by 360, this is 10, and this is 1, so 1 over 10. 7 is 2 here, so 1 will cancel 1 here. I will have 22 times 7 over 10. Then point your calculator at this point. 22 times 7 divided by 10, this will give you 15.4, and then the unit is cm squared, the area of the sector of a circle.